Okay, you see we have a Play-Doh ball here. And we're about to review it, and it's red. And there's something inside, so let's move this to the side. So let's see. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I feel something. It's a Lego body. I wonder what it is. Might be police. It's on this side. Ooh, I see something. The legs, I think. Yep, they're legs. So we're gonna build this. It's a police, I think. I think there's two more things. So let's find out. Ooh, I see a head. There's a head. Now I think there's one more. I think I see it. And this is a police. Hooray! Oopsie. So here's a police. He has a printing face, printing hat, and printing body. Nothing on the legs. And a printing back. So that was a police. Hold on. So that was a police egg. So go on other egg videos to see it. Bye. Xander to Legos. Subscribe.